How to sell affiliate products on Facebook. Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to sell affiliate products on Facebook, right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you are beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. In that ebook, I have reviewed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, right? So now here, without any delay, let me show you how to sell affiliate products on Facebook. So guys, here what you need to do, guys, first thing that guys, you need to optimize your Facebook profile. So let me show you my Facebook profile. So here guys, you can see that guys, right? So this is my Facebook profile. So guys, here you need to optimize your Facebook profile. Come up with a cover where there should be clear-cut message that who is for. Mean to say, when someone lands on your Facebook profile, they must say that, oh yes, this guy is for me. This guy had solution to my problem, and this is what I'm looking for, right? So you can see, learn how to build a digital affiliate business online. So if someone is looking for how to start affiliate marketing business, then yes, he or she will say, yes, this is what I'm looking for, right? And yes, then next thing guys, optimize your bio section. So here guys, you can see that I help affiliate marketer to build $1K per month, or you can say $1,000 per month affiliate marketing business without spending a dime on ads. So guys, now you tell me, if someone lands on my profile and if he or she reads this message and that very person is looking for how to make $1,000 per month, then now you tell me, now will that guy check my profile or not? Will that guy go through my lead magnet or not? Right? I will show you my lead magnet, don't worry, right? So guys, now here the next thing that you need to do guys, in your intro section, put your lead magnet link guys. So in my case, my lead magnet is my ebook that I'm offering guys, right? So put your lead magnet link here. So you can check out my 2-page sales system. You can see. So here I'm offering my, you can say, lead magnet, that is ebook guys, right? So that link you can put here guys, right? Here. And then guys, what you need to do guys to sell your products guys. And just guys, you must be clear about this guys, that whatever product that you are promoting in any niche, so your profile must be optimized considering that niche guys, right? So I'm in different marketing, so considering that I have optimized my profile, Facebook profile guys, right? So simply guys, what you can do, start doing Facebook Live guys. This is one of the best and fastest way to sell your products on Facebook guys. I can understand guys, initially it will be a bit hard that how to do Facebook Live, but guys, believe me that guys, people buy when they have trust on you. People buy when they know you and like you, right? So when they see you that you are a real guy, right? So that way it increases trust guys towards you guys, right? When they see you that you are a real guy, right? So guys, what you need to do, start doing Facebook Live on daily basis and start sharing some valuable content on daily basis that is useful to your ideal customer. Slowly you will see that they are loving you, they are knowing you, they are liking you, and they are having trust on you. And when trust is built guys, simply in your Facebook Live video, in one of your Facebook Live video, you can say, hey, by the way, if you want to make money, or if you want to start your online business, then yes, check out my product or check out the link in my bio, right? So this is, you can say, one of the fastest way guys to sell the products on Facebook guys. You can sell your products easily guys But guys, don't think that like from very first day people will start buying from you. No, it will take time. At least you need to be consistent 2 to 3 months regularly. Then you will see that yes, people are noticing you, and people will buy from you when you are consistent in providing valuable content. Right guys? So yes guys, this is one of the way guys to sell the products on Facebook guys, right? So yep, if you have any questions guys, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I would say go and subscribe to my channel, right? And yes, if you want more information, then yes, down below there is also bell notification button. So hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. Right guys? So yep, this is all about today guys, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye guys.